Ready to supercharge your vocabulary and sound smarter in everyday conversations? First, we'll explore some incredible words, then see them come to life in fun conversations. Stick around till the end for a quick quiz to test your skills. Let's get started. Let's start with this one. Beleaguer. Beleaguer means to cause persistent troubles or difficulties or to surround someone with problems. So, for example, instead of saying, the team faced constant challenges at work, you can say, the team was beleaguered by constant challenges at work. Can you pronounce this one right? Exacerbate. Exacerbate means to make a situation, condition, or problem worse. Instead of saying, his comments made the situation worse, you can improve your vocabulary by saying, his comments exacerbated the situation. Now, let's see these words in action in a chat between Sophia and James.
Hey James, you look a bit beleaguered today. What's going on?
It's this presentation for the board. The feedback I received has only exacerbated my stress. I feel like I can't get anything right.
Here's a classy word. How do you think it's pronounced? Eloquent. Eloquent means fluent or persuasive in speaking or writing. Let's consider an example. Instead of saying, she is a good speaker, you can say, she is an eloquent speaker. This one's fun to say. Take a moment and give it a try. Flummoxed. Flummoxed means completely confused or perplexed. So instead of saying, I was confused by the instructions, you can say, I was flummoxed by the instructions.
Oh no, that sounds tough. But honestly, you're such an eloquent speaker. I'm sure you'll impress them.
Thanks, Sophia, but I'm flummoxed by their constant changes. Every time I adjust the slides, they come up with more suggestions. It's exhausting.
Ready to learn a word for those who never give up? This one's all about determination. Tenacious. Tenacious describes someone who is persistent and determined. Now instead of saying, he is very determined in his studies, you can say, he is very tenacious in his studies. Let's calm things down with this serene and peaceful word. Tranquil. Tranquil refers to something calm, peaceful, or free from disturbance. Instead of saying, the lake is very calm, you can say, the lake is very tranquil.
I get that. But remember, you've always been tenacious. If anyone can handle this, it's you. Just take a deep breath and tackle one issue at a time.
You're right. Maybe I need to find a more tranquil spot to think. The office chaos isn't helping at all.
Let's try the next one now. Mitigate. Mitigate means to lessen the severity, intensity, or impact of something. Instead of saying, we need to reduce the risks, you can say, we need to mitigate the risks. Let's see if you can get this one right. Go ahead, give it a shot. Galvanize. Galvanize means to shock or excite someone into taking action. Now an example. Instead of saying, the speech motivated the crowd, you can say, the speech galvanized the crowd into action. This word might sound fancy. Try saying it yourself first. Pernicious. Pernicious describes something that is harmful in a gradual or subtle way. So instead of saying, smoking is harmful to your health, you can say, smoking is pernicious to your health.
Absolutely. Calm environment can do wonders. Also, try to mitigate their concerns up front. Maybe start your presentation by addressing their major points before diving into the details.
That's a great idea. I'll give it a shot. By the way, how's the planning for your fundraiser going?
Pretty good. We're hoping to galvanize more community members to join the cause. But it's been tricky avoiding some pernicious gossip about the event's budget.
And finally, let's end with this one. Give it a try before I explain. Accolade. Accolade means an award, honor, or recognition for an achievement. Instead of saying, "She received praise for her performance," you can say, "She received an accolade for her performance."
People will always talk, but your hard work will be worth it. I'm sure you'll receive a lot of accolades for pulling this off.
Thanks, James. And good luck with your presentation. Remember, stay focused and don't let the stress get to you.
I'll try. Thanks for being such a great support, Sophia.
Now that you've learned some fantastic words and seen how they're used, it's time for a quick challenge. Let's see how well you've been paying attention. Grab a pen and paper or just keep track in your mind, whatever works best for you. I'll give you 10 questions, and you'll have a few seconds to think about each one. Don't worry if you're not sure, you'll learn even more as we reveal the answers. Let's see how many you can get right. Great job making it to the end. Now it's your turn. Pick your favorite word from today's video and use it in a sentence. Drop it in the comments below, and let's see how creative you can get. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more vocabulary fun. See you next week with more exciting words and a new quiz. Keep learning and stay awesome.